Hello there, this is a review about the Pentagon Renegade Savanna shorts made by a Greek company called Pentagon and are known for tactical and outdoor garments. I bought these shorts together with the BDU 2.0, both in the same size. The BDU shorts is very nice, very strong, but this is about the Renegade Savanna shorts. So I bought these shorts and noticed that after a while that it showed some damage on the back side of the shorts. It's a very nice fabric, but as you can see that after a while this damage, which was not made by any outdoor activity. So I sent these shorts back to Renegade, and after a while they sent me an email back replying that it was not under warranty, while these shorts was not broken during outdoor activity. So after a while they sent me an email back and saying that my shorts was not under warranty, that I bought it too small. So as it was the same size as these other shorts, which was also very nice and very strong and not damaged, then this bummer of an email came in saying that the shorts was not under warranty. Then I replied them back that I paid almost €77 for a pair of shorts and do not have any shorts anymore, so no more money, no more shorts. Then I got a reply back from Pentagon saying that they will refund it if I buy for €150, including these shorts, which means that I had to put another order in for €73, which I did. So I ordered the shorts one size bigger as the previous one, and I ordered a shirt which was very nice. Now receiving the shorts, leaving abroad, after 1 week we noticed that these new shorts showed the same damage, and this already after 1 week. Making photographs of it and sending it to Pentagon, they did not reply. After another email, they did not reply. Third email, they did not reply. So it means that these shorts has a fabrication failure, and probably they know about it. So this Pentagon Renegade banana shorts is a very nice fabric, but there is a fabrication failure. So the only thing I can say is do not buy it if you don't want to get disappointed. It costs some money, but it's not worth to buy it. Sadly enough, I have a soft shell from the same factory, which is very nice. I have this shirt from the same factory, which is very nice. I have these other shorts from the same factory, which is very nice. But do not buy these Pentagon Renegade Savanna shorts, or let us call it banana shorts. Thank you for your time.